Tutorial number 24 in CATIA. We are already in the sketch mode and we have these sketches from the previous tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to talk about the fix together feature. You can find it here on the right side, fix together with auto constraint. In the previous tutorial we talked about the operation transformation and we done with all these features, and the last one is the 3D geometry. Is a very important menu, but still we are in the 2D sketch commands and feature, so we are coming to this menu later when we start making some 3D modeling. So now let's back to the fix together feature. So let's pick one of the profiles here. If you pick one of the line, you'll notice you are able to rotate, move, and so on. But if in case you don't want this type of movements and you don't need any change, for example, you added some dimensions here, for example 200, and here you add another 200, and here also another 200. But as you notice, you are still keep moving them. So for example, we want them in this shape. For example, you can pick these lines and fix. You'll notice all these lines and points will be fixed. And now when you are moving the whole profile and no change with these lines movements. And the dimensions turn into purple. That means they are no longer needed, so you just need to delete them, because now these lines will be fixed on the same previous dimension. And if you try to make a dimension, you'll notice it will be in purple, so either to keep it or to delete. As well, you can try doing here. Let's pick this line, fix, okay. So now you have all this shape is fixed. And with any type of profile you can do it.